Hello all.
Ist mir halt wieder Fahrt. Das wieder. Rotz doch. Oh, steh auf, du der Sack. Blubberst du schon wieder hier, ja? Meine Einportion Nahrung heute. Ich glaube, das passt definitiv hier rein. Oh, ist ja nichts dabei, Junge. Das ist eine Portion, Alter. Das ist für mich, da bohr ich nur in der Nase rum, Alter, und da ist schon weg. Machen wir weiter LAN hier jetzt. Na denn, Junge. Dein Gesicht. Gott, ist das wirklich wenig, ne? Jetzt mal ganz gesund für Teflonpfannen. Das ist jetzt dann sauer heiß und dann tut man es in das kaltes Wasser rein. Okay, ganz geil. Das merkt man dann spätestens, wenn das Wasser dann in der Pfanne selber sauschnell heiß wird. Weil es saukalt reingekommen ist. Dann weiß man, wie heiß die Pfanne war. Wie es dann halt eigentlich, sag ich mal, die ganze Spachtelung da einfach weggradiert. Also den Teflon. Glaube ich, weiß ich nicht. Wenn es heißt Teflon beschichtet. Kann es möglich sein, ne? Aber halt einmal. So. Ja, fällt schon raus. Passt schon. Ja, gekocht haben wir. Das ist eigentlich mein Nachtisch. Heute gibt's nicht mehr, da. Mag ich jetzt mal nicht. Ich glaube, ich stehe heute um 2 mittendrin wieder auf und dann verliere ich erst einmal so 1 Kilogramm Schokolade oder so. Oh mein Gott. Wir probieren da. Oh, passt. Durch. Aber halt. Oh. 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 Verdammt nochmal heiß. So. Welcome back to CarX Part 2. Part 329, I think it is. Oh, well, a little bit drinking today, a little alcohol. I mean, at night. What happened actually at the before midday, after midday, I always say so. Oh, is that milk? Oh, crap, mate. There's a drip milk actually on my jogging. On my jogger. Ah, come on. Here as well. Sometimes in the morning actually I'm eating very fast actually, some cornflakes in this crack. Ah, well. So, just wanna enjoy actually my music. Got actually an old playlist. Just kidding. Over Spotify, so still on. What happened? Alright. Without music I can't play this game anymore because it bores me a little bit. I'm actually here by drinking, music listening, and chilling out. So it was actually since the beginning, for 3 years ago. Close to 3 years. Het wordt zo half iets niks. Down below in the description. Normally, you see actually what I'm listening for, but normally I just actually share with that stuff to you. I mean, comment in here. Man, what the hell? My English today. So Joey, I'm so fucked up.
URL.
I'm just, you know that feeling, you're bored, but you just want to do something. You're just a little bit cracked up. The power is not there, but you just want to do it. And actually since Saturday I didn't actually drift a little while. Or was it Friday in the afternoon? I think it was Friday, yeah, Friday night. So, well. Oh, so itchy today, what was wrong? Oh, there's some actually creme de la creme milk. Me, I don't like. Or maybe it's actually the ventilation system. It blows actually the dust into my flesh, my meat on my bones. Just kidding. No, that the dust actually getting into my flesh. I'm not sure. Can be. I don't know. Just have campaign drop is released on this called process edition next stream. Let's see what we actually want to do. Trying to do a deal with that. What I'm saying. Monica. Look at that. Alright. Let's keep moving then. Monica. Come to my office. What the hell? Something's not right with my zipper. 3 lost cereals. Oh, come on here as well. A little small drip. If you know you're going too far and you're getting fatter. Look at this crack. Ah, tequila. Alright, tequila. Oh my gosh, tequila. How you doing over there? Gaba Mag and Nitro the Bad. Every day, every year. I better say every year I get fatter. 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter there. I don't care. Gambarimasu. car, dude. Too heavy. Sometimes I forget that. Background sometimes changing. All the fun we're coming up here. Oh, kommt schon wieder das kleine Fleischklößchen hoch. Steckt schon wieder im Holz. Ja, so, here we go. Kommt so. Tied. Oh, did you just forget that? Oh, crack. Sharing. Good book. Book. Yeah. What's that calling then? How are you feeling today? Totally fucked up. Stinksauer, verwundert. Wie kann man denn entnervt sein? Was? Entnervt? So lala. Oh, what the hell is that all? Alt. Furchtbar, oh mein Gott. Oh, schüchtern. Ach, das war ja. Oh ja, wohl auf. Ich glaube, ich müsste da mal aufs Klo gehen. Einen Dampf rauslassen. Ernsthaft, ich meine, das ist jetzt wirklich ernst. Kaum was gegessen schon. Geht schon wieder verwandt los. Ja, was ist denn jetzt? Da war ich wahrscheinlich China reingeklickt gehabt. Chinese Spionage. Ich glaube, der Zuckerberg macht das nicht gern sehen. Das postet immer noch. Ja, du kannst auch woanders jetzt posten. Ich habe jetzt hier einen Livestream zu machen. Poste ich zu Tode, aber still not live anymore. Wird gepostet, immer noch. Something with these I talked about in exclamation signs, actually Chinese spionage. Here you have something for tonight. But just I was kidding, right? It's still actually uploading. I don't know what's going on. Oh, I need a back scratcher or something. Let's scratch his back, you know what I'm saying? Oh. Well, I'm full of ideas today. I was actually clipping into a window and I was actually 60 to 1 meter, so 0.60 to 1 meter. Actually, I thought I shit myself in the same time where I actually stuck in the window to going through. Oh my god. Jumped forwardly a little bit more into, and I say to myself, I think I shit myself now. My breath was going off, you know, and it's just like, oh gosh, I'm dying here inside of the window. I jumped down there and I thought, oh gosh, I think I shit myself. So I touched all the times my butt, my pants, you know. Nothing. As I was going outside, the same way as I was coming in, it was the same. Oh my gosh. Ah, herrlich. Tschüss, auch kein Straw, wir sehen uns, weil du es Gold bei Rosten nicht spielen. Still uploading. Still posting. What is going on here? Must be the Chinese stuff. Chinese don't like the fun. They don't know fun. Right, Gabba Mag. Choose up. Gabba Mag and Nitro the Bad. Still posting. Oh my gosh. Stop. Let's say it's not possible or something. Nah, still posting. I don't know what's going on. Wonderful. Let's do every 10 minutes actually a drift. The first 7 minutes I was talking. Now 10 minutes off for one drift. Still posting. There's no fan base actually coming today. Because actually my post is still going to upload on Facebook. So instead of saying tequila, let's talk about actually Kila. Just say Kila. Killer? Kila. Alter, da hatte ich vorher noch keinen Wasserpickel, Alter. Was hab ich da denn da? Entweder vertrage ich die Lotion da nicht oder so. Keine Ahnung. Kokosnuss und was ist das nochmal? Irgend so ein komisches Öl noch. Ach, was weiß ich. Chemikalie halt. Halt doch mal Schütter wenigstens mal gescheit weh. Gambarimasu. What does that mean? 100k for nothing. Style full XP with 237 XP. So I'll give it actually 1000% lesser on the money, spending more than 1000% more on XP. So kind of this correct. Because it takes forever actually going to rank list, actually we're up to level 28. But something moves on the bar. Sometimes. It's still posting on face dude. What the hell is going on? It was only the shiny stuff, you know, it just... oh, whatever. There was not even a resistance on... more hateful. It's just a joke. Nothing that even done anymore? Yeah, later on then. The fire starter! Oh, I'm not sure if I need to go to the toilet. I got my plate off, right? Hold on a second. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I'm going to the toilet, be right back. There's a big business to deal done. I'm sorry for that. The Barbarian just saying I'm going to the shit house now. Be right back. Wenn man die Tür hat er hingespielt, habe ich ihm gleich mit Base angegriffen. Bring doch endlich Bier mit, habe ich gesagt. Sie fixen noch eins. Hat er wieder hingespielt. Mit dem Base habe ich ihm darin. Das gibt's doch nicht. Tadaimasu, by the way. Is that microphone on? Let's just check it out. Oops, wrong stuff. Wrong stuff. Here we go, Santo. Hello. Bruh, that's cool. I got the mic on, my man. Ce s-a campana și pe celui să luți gol pe rost nici ne exprim. Waarom niet? Da ben je dan nog verrukt. Met een kansloom. Darum habe ich gleich gezuckt. Ich habe niedergerissen. Ich habe auf die hinten abgeschissen. Oh Gott, das ist was jetzt wieder los. Hey, ohne Scheiß, der packt das jetzt nicht, oder was? Der liegt jetzt wahrscheinlich noch Stunden auf. Yeah. Smooth Übergang, Alter. Time my home. Ich wollte doch Tequila trinken und nicht. Ich wollte doch Kila trinken und nicht Bier. Wird sehr fix. Ita parda. Jammernas. Aber das müssen wir mal ein bisschen anders gestalten. Wo der Homies outside. What the hell? Call 112. Exactly, yo. Ka-ching. Got a money wallet in it. Büschow, weil wir den fotografiert haben. Ah, das ist dieses komische Gartenroad mit dem Zeug drauf. Das muss man doch mal nachholen, wie das heißt. Das muss ich ausgeschrieben sehen, weil sonst kann ich es mir nicht merken. So Ploppermaul, das haut nicht hin. Das wird ja schon geschrieben sehen. Also mich doch mal hier Facebook canceln, weil irgendwie haut das nicht hin. Ja, hau rein, Junge. Dann machen wir es halt nochmal neu. Ist doch egal. Stehen drauf, fühlt sich cool. Quasi. Modo. Ah, das ist doch gleich, schau her, das hat irgendwas mit China zu tun gehabt. Ich hab nur ein bisschen China erwähnt und schon war Feierabend bei denen. Da war Game Over. Na, das sagen wir mal. Holy the hell, yes. Das geht am 25. Wieder. Ja, es war lange Zeit ist her. Sie wollte mal um die Welt reisen, ja. Ich dachte, das hatten wir schon. What just happened? Oh. Let's bring it in. Was war bei den Fruchtzwergen eigentlich immer so gut drin? Calcium, oder? Irgendwie so, ja. Also jetzt zur Zeit an oder Zuckerpampe. Oh, I have so many dirt on my nose. It's already trying actually to even the handkerchief is actually sliding off. Oh, tasty. Come out, you little popel. Dingo. Ah, another one in the ballon. War das Sul? Acid. Oh, that was too much. Did I do that? It wasn't me. 50k. Very good, bro. A little time I should smoke the cigarette. What's it going? Big drug. Alright, I thought it was okay if you say that. Tell you that, just watching the well like can be another life or it's moving nearby. next vehicle. Are we still live streaming here? Oh, dang honk. The contract. Nice, nice, nice. 3 people such as the grinding. Yeah, I'm the first one here. How was that? Playing CarX Drift Racing? That is no CarX Drift Racing, dude. It just happened. Ding dong, something on the screens? No. Bad man. Oh, that vehicle looks good. Can I give it a like? Hold on. Saying dripping good? I got these Chinese letters, you know, but in converting actually something else. Oh, it's not possible on here. I got idea. There you go, some Maloney. Balboni. Dripping good. First mile. Alright. That's cool. Let's repeat that with the other car. 40. Ein Schacht wie eine Müllablade, oder? The summer calls already getting done. What about the other one was first? Can't remember. Help me, guys. No, it wasn't in here. Oh, here we go. Okay, we're doing the reverse then, because already was that doing the done. Yeah, well, I just forgot actually to pee. Fuck it. Only need to handle that, that's all. Catalina. I just actually started up this fired up a cigarette and you already loaded up. Die Bockfotzen von jeder. Nicht so grob. Ja. Ah, endlich hat er das gewonnen. Top. Wie komme ich jetzt wieder zurück? Gibt es auch mal normale, die auch mal echt sind und nicht irgendwie, weißt du, ich meine. Also sie ist definitiv echt. Bei ihr weiß ich nicht. Digital Creator, okay. Naja. Naja, ja, nein. Es ist aber schon dieselbe, ne? Nee. Auch wieder so ein Typ, Alter. Warum macht ihr das immer? Das ist nervig, oder? Das ist richtig nervig. 18 March, birthday. You won. Die sagt der Branisch, glaube ich, nicht so, du skal bare sådan lige stream. Kind of attitudes. They take no bra. Slop. Spoiler is missing on this vehicle. Why are you dealing done with these crashes all the time? I have to deal something with this car, the suspension. It's just a spoiler is missing actually the back and the trunk. The aerodynamic part on the trunk is missing actually, hardcore, eh? What can be deal done in here? Let me just see what's going on in here. It was actually an 87 edition, but I can't hold it in. Too many horses. See what's going on now, but I need to go to the toilet first and pee off. I got the picture. 8,888. 8,088. I just say that, right? Yeah. We'll be right back. Oh, hell. Chill out, motor. Quindi kaffe. zuerst war das Ei dran, oder? Und dann das Mehl. Oder war zuerst das Mehl dran? Ich glaube, das ist das Mehl. Dann das Ei drüber und dann die Flakes. Also, wie kriegst du das gar nicht hin? Oh, friert mich schon. Katastrophe ist das. Da musst du ja schauen, für was bist. A fat boy. Fat boy. Oh, fat boy, ja, you're. Da steht ja der Glühwein. Der kreisliche. Morgen haben wir mitnehmen, aber morgen bin ich nicht auf der Baustelle. Fix habe ich wieder geschlafen. Sau und elendiger. Ah. Kannst du hinschreiben, gestern 1 Grad, habe ich hingeschrieben. Ja, heute waren es so 2 Grad. Danach. Ah, ja. Not sure. Ja, geil. Was ist das denn nochmal, ey? Was ist mit den Leuten los? So, ja, Facebook, weg damit, oder? So ein Krampf manchmal. Ah, gewiss hat er schon nicht geschaut, aber wie gesagt, ich schlafe schon. Naja. Die schlafen schon. So, jetzt gibt's nix. Hat der Krampf. Ey, tippst da mal drauf, tippst hier drauf, das ist eine Katastrophe, ist das. Oh, geht mir schon wieder der Puls, ey, weißt. Nix und wieder nix. Ausgehende Monat. Das wollen wir ja 2-3 Monate sparen. Obst und Gemüse ist was anderes, das ist in Ordnung. Hier ist der neue Ofen gedacht, da kann ich wieder Brot bauen, dann brauche ich keins kaufen. Ich hab nur daheim. Schauen wir die Maus. Schauen wir mal, was wir haben. Scheißegal, was ich mache, damit ich kann. Ich krieg ihn nicht unter Kontrolle. so ein R7-Typ, Alter. Einfach 12.000 Umdrehungen in der Richtung. Das ist gebacken. Lichtlein aus, Junge. Uncontrollable. It's just I tried a lot, you know. It's actually spoil in the background makes actually aerodynamic style a little bit more. It's a very fast car, and that's a big problem. So I always want to do a 360. It just makes me sick. I'm at the maximum of my knowledge actually for the car, for the suspension. I can't give it actually more or lesser. It's just these aerodynamic. It's just a piece of shit, like every Ferrari it is. It's a mistake. You need on the driving itself. You need ideas to come into the next corner, not the 360 you deal done. Oh well. Did actually it go? When there's not the hair actually. Oh well, 43 in here. 52 in there. Okay, well that was just luck. Just luck. Shit, you deal down in here. A 40? Let's see, we can beat the 40. Night vision. Run on. How are you doing so far? Conan don't want to drip in the watching anymore, eh? Ja. Guaranta. Yeah, actually the music is missing from Spotify. What I'm listening for, it fits so much actually to the drifting. You don't can listen for. I'm so sorry for that. I feel sad for that. Sorry to bore you. Mehr so 0815 Tage, da wenn wir driften, dann kann der Schatz zu, aber das ist alles in Ordnung. Bin ich gewohnt. Gambarinas. crack. They keep cracking in all the time. It's like he's running GT as well. The used models crashing into police officers. Brrr. And you're crazy enough to drive a Ferrari on ice or snow. What should I tell? Wow, this car has so many problems with 180 or 360. I feel so destroyed. I can't handle it. 1 hour live stream on the CarX Part 2, To-do-sday, Siffdrift, number 329. Hope you enjoy so far. Got problems, something like that. Hey, there's a comment action actually coming up in here and all the time, still online. Live stream, you know, you can handle it. Then wrote down. Give me your feelings, you just hate me. I don't care. Just need to actually smoke my cigarette off because of my 1 centimeter again. Can't smoke in the same time drifting with 1 centimeter cigarette in my mouth. It's like all the times. Can't focus on them. This is not a burner, right? It's a normal reader, yeah. Hocus pocus. A DVD burner. Copyright crap, you know. $900, shoot myself. Creek stuff. Man, I packed today actually together these CarX Part 3 and Part 2 actually. Nation CB and DjVolgin together. And just give you actually 2 saves out there, Mediafire lately, tomorrow. Let's see if I'm in a good mood or something. So many people actually want that, have the deal done. Can they still remember me? No, because they don't know actually me. My DefRekka account just deleted.
Hello, Sir Sexy.
So well. Need the deal done with this crack. It's actually done this CarX Part 6 actually for giving you actually a downloadable, if you have Safe Wizard, game save away. Hey Larry. Oh, not you again. So what kind of is it? I'm not care about that one. Ah, forget about it. No, I'm not eating tonight. I just want to chill out. I have a shitty week. So, well, still drinking Kila, the beer, Sternhageldicht brew. I just was talking about to give away actually game save from my 2 accounts of CarX, Nation CB and DjVolgin. If I'm in the mood, maybe after this live stream, I just pack it into actually a save, going to Mediafire, and send tomorrow out there actually on YouTube, and also actually on these game save database there, where people know me actually as well, to give away actually other game saves for progress for the PlayStation 4. Vámonos. Watch too much the lights. Easy now, easy now. Easy competition. I got no headache. I'm okay. No need to go to the hospital. You're ready for God's heaven. Just broken. Oh, come on. 42 is nothing. 43. The 7011? Not a 911? What happened here?
In progress May this week 48 games of.
Don't worry about that one. I promise you that actually. But it's April already, not March. But there's new 2 cars, so I need to actually, a little bit actually, you know, kind of in here, kind of there. Watching out for all these stuff, and I don't know. It's okay when 2 new cars are coming in and stuff. It's not as dangerous what I'm doing and dealing done. It just actually get hacked away as well. I don't know. Such was actually said Petersburg, and there was Carter Road. Let's do Carter Road first. Night time. Let's go to the toilet and pee off. Yay! Ring the bell. For everyone actually beer free. 1 can, only 1 can of course. A bottle of beer, as we saying in Bavaria. The microphone's still running? La la lo la lo. Cleaned up, eh? Happened. I like myself. Nothing fatty. Calculi. Chop! Oh yeah. Paper rolls I need. Oh, I need myself actually clean my ass off with my hand. Once it happened last year.
Show us your muscles.
Very beloved of myself. Let you know actually, when I go into 33 or something in my age, then I'm stopping live streaming, stopping gaming. Well, 6 years left or something. How old I am the hell? 37? Ah, shit. 7 years, 6.5 years now. Oh, no, 7 years. Yeah, 6 years and 11 months. That's a lot of time. I think I'm dying already in this time. Cancer, too much sugar, get empathy or something that's cracked. I'm not sure. I'm good, I'm fine. See myself all the time, it's very good in the construction side. Doing a lot of work, doing done. The older persons actually can't actually more doing done. Oh, come on, you make a 360? Okay, 4 paper rolls in here. Good. I don't want to flush. I'm against it. For the little girls here. Make already a picture. Got a construction worker actually, got a twin. And these girls sometimes actually painting. Så kan der now dieser A2 actually, så har jeg bilderrammer på engelsk videre. Yeah, that photo, no, hold on. Oh, I don't know what that calls in English, god damn it. You can hang it on the wall, you know, and then you have sidely actually these wood stuff, and inside you can make some pictures inside. The drawing, so updated today again. Sting myself twice with the pins. Shit. Well, updated it. But actually they are right now 4 years old, and when they are going 18 years old or something, I just want to give them actually these one. But they're saying, oh gosh, am I ashamed of something that's cracked? Not sure. What happened? Huh? What's wrong with you? Kinky Des? Are you okay? Something's fake in here, I'm not sure about, Larry. He told me actually his sister or something is hospital or something working, and need a girlfriend or what's it called? Boyfriend. I'm sorry, I'm from the side of the guy says girlfriend. I'm sorry, and a girl says boyfriend. I know, I'm sorry for that. This is, I'm not sure, you know. Somebody fakes around and all this stuff, so I don't care about that, you know. This is not real. I'm not sure. Single the rest of my life, actually, I grew up. And so many years, so actually, this is KI, AI, and all this stuff, so I'm not sure. If you sit in front of me, that's something else. Very disappointed so much in my life.
She wants to put her finger in your back door.
It's like actually I'm drinking water. Can be actually 2 liters, I don't give a fuck. But actually it was a half liter, but it was 2 liters. Just ran in. Without sparkles. Took nothing on me, or hard. Sparkles, I can regulate. So deal down actually alcohol right now. Dealing dumb with my brain action. Not the dumbest boy, I think. You know, he's writing actually she wants to. So what's that? Now 2 people's actually commenting me in the same name of Larry David. What's going on in here? Weird. What's that? Look at that. His brother's taking actually action. So what's going on with her sister or something? What's going on with these peoples, man, in the family? Is it Agent Rat Girl or something's going on in here? Gambarimasu.
The backdoor bandit.
Rakkarin on then. Eingebraucht. Oh, look at that. 42,711. So I beat actually the Ferrari. Okay. Once I was outside, but okay. This wall of weirdo stuff in here.
I'm not into R.I.P anymore. In ground up, you know. Write box about your imaginary incest sister smile. You get fame.
Little shit. Wo wir brauchen jetzt another 2 racing laps. Okay, got that one. She's a companion of obviously, so this called these next stream. Yo, Doughboy, what's going on? Gabba Mag, Night for the Bad. She's a companion of obviously, so this called these next stream. Decent done with this crack.
Is it a new sex site you wanna promote in here?
Male grande. You know the drill. You peer, new luck. Ik stuurt je vol af de kippen de tube. Ah, niet een handkerchief, goddammit. De Honda. Got a new filter for that. Oh, nosebleed. On the way. Wow. Right side, okay. That's cancer, you know that. Awesome. Dying soon. Yay. I'm not going to the hospital for cancer. Give a fuck on this shit. Vámonos. Gosh, that car is so loud. shop was closed. Now he's gone. Promoting for something. I don't care about that stuff. I'm a construction worker, you know. I see so many stuff, you know. So many hot girls around. I don't care. I'm just the motherfucker actually dealing done with the work. I have no time for stuff like that. Next vehicle, I say. Nobody say. Oh yeah, what's going on with you? How powerful you are actually to be using for. Say that first. I need a beer. I don't care about actually sex life. I'm a fucking worker, goddammit. I'm the boy actually not getting money. Why should I actually have a girlfriend if you don't have dealing done with getting money? Took my neighbor. He's in the same company somehow nearby. Different company. Can dealing done actually as an outsider actually from Belgium, Bulgaria. Can buy a new car. Dropping into another company. He can go actually to the dentist and that's costing something. It doesn't matter what kind of a pain he has because he's Bulgarian working in Germany. Everything is free for him. We have to pay for him. And he can actually building up actually a new car. What the fuck is that? I can't even actually get a license to drive. Actually doing a license actually here in Germany. It costs me so much. They get paid for that. What kind of a shit is this? They get more money than myself in Germany as a German. Huh. Forget about life. Seriously, I'm pissed off. I just want to kill him every day myself. Because it's bullshit. If we're going to a country like him, he's coming from, I'd just be actually, I don't know, getting €2.50 or something actually for an hour. That's just senseless. They're getting rich in here and we already, what? We're not getting rich, we just get fucked up by the taxes. Dealing done with the dentist, dealing done actually with the doctor, dealing done actually with every stuff. Actually, you're paying plus extra for the German guys, for the outsiders. Asshole politics. It's only Germany because we always calling Nazis. It's over for that stuff, you know. It's over. I'm not even thinking about these other shitless. I hate Germany. More outsiders than insiders. Piece of shit country. Hope to nuke that or something. Nuke the other countries where they're coming from as well. We pay a lot for actually outsiders coming to Germany and working and getting more money than ourselves. Get that stuff, you know. That I just would try to say. These politics are so rubbish and dull, boys. That's why I hype myself so much and I don't want to have a girlfriend. Be fighting for every cent. Where the other one's actually getting hundreds of dollars actually in his ass pumped from our taxes. Finding time actually to go to bureaucratic when you're working actually like she's working, I'm working, and nearby actually a child, well, homeless or something. Or the other one actually feeling like rich and millionaires or something. Welcome to Germany. Piece of shit land. Everybody else can do whatever they want. Making new nuclear plants, selling that at such double the price as in their own country and all this stuff. Be hinking. The German is the worst about the mission. Bullshit. With the finest ass. Sweden is a piece of shit. Stealing from Chile, actually, these batteries, but it's lithium. Oh, I don't want to talk about that one. It's politic. I give a fuck. It's too much actions, you know. And Germany is just a piece of shit. Sometimes I'm thinking why I'm just standing up for working. The boss is just so stupid and retarded to let us working like that. He don't give a fuck anyway. He should be actually a right person or something and just burning towns dead or something, I'm sure. He's not with us. Not with us. He's a lefty or something. Well, Germany is going to actually a Weichspüler, like we always were saying. Oh, I forgot the cigarettes. We're building up houses for a low price instead of actually get outsiders just coming here in Germany and building up as a construction worker, a compound or something, and a company. You just can't do that in double times of the fucking money, lesser of the work. Making just, in Germany we say push, dealing done like with the cheapest price and getting actually a cheap work. Then 10 years later you just can actually work again on this, but this company is not existing then anymore, all this stuff, you know. Our German politic is just an asshole against the own politics, actually kind of the politic and the own actually peoples. They give a fuck on us. Just talking shit, making a lot of money, making profit, management profit. Well, we just actually looking, just seeing the price is going higher and you earning nothing anymore like since before 20 years ago. Like in America as well. I know that. I know the feelings about them as well. And if you got just a Saturday to a black work or something, we calling it, you go into jail for 10 years or something. Yeah, wonderful, nice one. Fucking feces of fucking polices. They have no balls in the sack. The black workers, they're going black coming from actually outside, they don't care. If the Germans going black sided actually on Saturday, you're going to jail. You have to pay a lot. Even if you have family, they don't care. I think already a revolt is coming up. Police officer is nothing worth anymore in Germany for our German folks. They're gods for outsiders, wherever they come from. Because they're saying, okay, you have no license, just drive by. If a German comes with a license, without a license, oh, you go to jail. Fuck off. Something like that. Really, it is like that. You're gonna get hated by your own country. These black-white police action in America is just a joke. You just can smile and laugh. If two white peoples actually slaughter off actually a black people. Come to Germany. It doesn't matter, you go to jail, whatever you've done as a German. The outsiders coming without a passport or something, go through. You can come in with the dynamite, the bombs you have inside. Come in, whatever you want. Welcome to Germany. They don't give a fuck. If you find a bomb from 1994 or something, 1943, you find as a German, you go to jail because you find it and maybe you just try to activate it or something. Even if you find it, you go to jail. If an outsider just say that, you'll be the biggest hero in Germany. Where's the fairness? Fucking politics. Well, who cares what I'm talking? Who cares? 頑張ります。 Holy crap, what's going on with this Toyota? What a shit car, goddammit. Fuck that ass line. Stolen by the Germans. What a piece of shit car. Honda, right? It's Honda, not Toyota. What's going on with this vehicle? That's 2,000 up your ass. Oh, come on! This car's stupid. I need to watch the suspension work. This car has no power, dude. What the fuck is that car worth? There was the latest update. Before the newest update, I mean. What a piece of shit. Oh, okay. What a cringe, mate. Can't do done anymore. Was für ein Stück Scheiße, Alter. Was hat mein eigenes Problem nicht gelöst? Ah, ist dieser scheiß beschissene Antrieb, Alter. Honda oder so. Ha. Pack in, let's go on. Yeah, guess what the fuck? What we did and done again. Son of a rule. Nighttime then. Small car have a lot of problems. Aber irgendwie vertrage ich dieses dämliche Creme nicht. Juckt überall. Ci sa campana, što vi se ljudi, so ljudsko različno eksperimentare imas. Irgendwas stimmt mit der Karre nicht. Comprimos. Asshole car. Bit better, but that's it. Can't do more. Woohoo! Woohoo! Fuck this crack. I don't know what's going on with these S2000 stuff. That was 2008. I drifted at Need for Speed Pro Street. That was a common update with the F1 and 2000. I thought, oh my god, what the hell is this S2000 worth? This Honda or whatever. That's bullshit. So lightweight and have no... it has too much grip. It is not what it is. It's not a drift car. I can't explain it. Even the Soul Stars can deal it done better. Or my Rouge or something. This car is just built it up actually for Honda. What has it to deal done actually? Even the BMW is better. Shut the fuck up then. This Honda S2000 is a piece of shit. Since 2008. That's 16 years I just dealing done with this crap car. A lot of Need for Speed games. Oh come on. And a lot of racing games. Oh, it's not worth. I hate this car. S2000 up your S line. It's such a bullshit car. Like Trabant on a kind of a, you have pick it up with 2000 horsepowers. A Trabant. Makes no sense. The aerodynamic is not fitting. The chassis is not fitting. The aerodynamic is a piece of shit. Suspension is actually against all these parts of the chassis. The steel burn, and I forget about that car. It's not even good in time attack or something. It's a piece of shit. Not even looks good. But the Japanese are like that car, and the Chinese as well, the North Korean. I mean the South Korean as well. I really give a fuck this car. I hate this car. Looks maybe good, but even a BMW Z4, the older model, is perfect. But this car can't even drift. I lost my safeness. My brain. Gosh. So against actually these Chinese cars. Especially the Asian cars now. This is a Chinese car. What's going on with this crack? I'm so unmooded now. I'm so unhappy now. I make something done with a 50k. What's that? Exactly. Oh, you know what the fuck? I give a fuck. I just want to enjoy myself. Oh, he can still be coming up. I don't want to tell actually how hard work today. It was, but sometimes nonsensely working. I feel just displacement in here. And tomorrow the work is coming in. Nobody's actually getting into what I'm working with some other person. That makes no sense tomorrow. It's a kind of another category on the construction side. But I just worked actually on, yeah, a week long now. It was difficult, like what I just getting done tomorrow. Oh, it's gotta be higher than they just dealing done. 2 persons against actually 6 persons, then this is not fair. They got 6 hours, we got 6 hours, it feels like 12 hours. Just dealing done with 6 persons actually around. It feels like actually you're working 2 hours and we're just working actually 8 hours. Congratulations. I'm so done with live streaming. I'm so done with work. I'm so done with my life. I have not written anymore about live streaming. Somebody else. Shit, Chinese car, don't make even points. It's so cheap. It's so cheap. These vehicles are so cheap. Let's get a muscle car, goddammit. See what's really going on in here. This is so bullshit, dude. These Chinese cars. Americans maybe don't feel like that, but we Europeans, we feel like that very hardcorely. It takes over like this Hornet. It takes already over that. It's an early 80 car, you know. Not a news car from 2023 or something. Something so much difficult, and I don't tune it. I tuned it a little bit. See if I can beat actually a 4K. I didn't tune it very well. But it's a muscle car. Not a tuner car from China. I say China, not Japan. China. Making more actually cars and electric cars like Tesla ever just build up. I need tequila. Not surviving this one in here. Take my favorite car and go maybe on that a little while. But this bottle of tequila needs to get empty today. This will have actually a 250 milliliter. Vámonos. I didn't even tune that car, I think. The Chinese Klapperkiste tuning car there. Soundbox. Fuck the crack, mate. Yeah, Furzball. Exactly. Noch geschissen, Alter. Pre-crom action, something like this crack. Never finished on actually this core Hornet S72. After 13 beers actually and a half bottle of tequila, I feel like actually sleepy and drunk. Life is boring. Not waiting for something anymore. Cheers up, compadres. What is to do? So let's go to next beam. Suffocated. Yeah, it's difficult. Nice one, nice work. Yeah, actually normally 35, but everything's good. I'm going to the toilet again. Peeing is healthy, they say, especially if you're drinking alcohol. Not the audience is there. Too many too many birds around the construction site area. We're dealing done with all these birds. Makes you mad, makes you down. There's not like a there's like a too many pigeons, too many birds dying nearby actually. Who cares? I'm hungry, I just wanna go to sleep. Nope. There's something I need today. Some special stuff. I can't, and it's middle of the week. Tomorrow it's full moon. Hey, we drinking in the morning? Yeah, we will. Who cares about me? have a lot of work to do and deal done. I know already what we have to deal done. So the next 2 days, I know myself what we have to deal done. So that's a problem. On the construction side, even you jam over to another construction site where the other persons in construction areas not dealing done with us. I know exactly what we have to deal done and what we needing and what we actually doing done and oh crap, I can't explain. Construction side, I can't explain. Inside a little businessman, but where's the money? Fuck it, right? Sometimes you're waiting for construction siders to stamp them and saying, alright, done. I wrote that down in the cell phone. Thank you very much for actually waiting for you and freezing my ass off. Muscle actually hurting, but I was just waiting for you. Nobody cares about that hours. Something I can't explain, but it pisses me off. That's it. 1.5 beer. 200 milliliters actually on tequila. Everything's good. My fault. My fault. You should actually change the company. See what's going on. Cheers up. Just another lost afternoon. 20 o'clock 53. Komm rum um die Ecke. Kleiner Schlumpf. Unfassbar. Unanfassbar. Aufgeschissen, Alter. Wenn ihr mal auf der Baustelle mal so anlangen würdet, wie ihr rappen würdet, kein Thema. Gambaremas, gambate. Oh, come on. What's going on? 360? No more possible in here in this game? This game sucks now. Go yourself. 4 times I tried to deal done with this. This game says go fuck yourself, you driving American muscle. This game sucks and stinks. Maybe I should actually go back to Need for Speed then. Boring. Hey, you get no points. The next 2 turns. Resist, man. This game is a piece of shit, yo. Can drop. Oh, whatever. Okay, that's it. Normally I'm gone. Okay, normally I'm gone. I'm gone. I don't want any more. I'm gone. I really, everyone. Sorry, but this game is a piece of shit. I'm not upgrading or something. I'm just gone. I'm just gone. Fuck this game. I'm gone. Nobody's watching. As on DefRekka account. I'm feeling pissed, you know. After 13 years, actually, you try to make subscribers. It feels like emptiness. It's just what I'm doing and being done. Fuck off, guys.
R.I.P. my baby.